Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just did the review in the build on the Gundam EX from Requiem of Vengeance in my last video, and this is the other kit that I was able to secure from Target. Thank you again to the people in the Facebook group that put those UPC codes, or the barcodes, whatever you want to call them, online, so we could get the fine folks at Target to check in the back for them, so we could get them early. So this is the Zaku. I believe it's for the main character we're going to see in the series. And I'm really excited about these, even though they're high-grade kits, and I really wish we would get some master grade kits soon, but it doesn't seem like Bandai wants to give us master grade kits for these new series. So hopefully maybe down the line we'll get one, but this is a really cool looking Zaku. It reminds me kind of like a Mad Max type feel, like it was just repaired time and time again with parts from the battlefield, which is kind of cool. But anyways, this is the MS-06f Zaku 2 F-Type Solari from Requiem for Vengeance, Principality of Zeon, mass-produced mobile suit. And it says down here the same thing. So, the artwork's really cool. I really kind of am digging the whole out of the norm looking Zaku. Zaku's were really cool in most of the franchise because you always saw certain pilots like customize their Zakus, so that was really cool. Anyway, so let's go over the box here. You got this really nice art on the front. You do have a Zaku back here and a Zaku over here, which I hope we're gonna get. I think that might be part of the Solari squad. I think it's called the Red Wolf or something like that. Can't remember from the trailer, but we'll find out here on the 17th when the show is on Netflix. Some really nice artwork here. It looks like a CGI render of the kit itself, front and back, and then it shows some of the gimmicks. The energy pipes and the legs move in conjunction, which is kind of neat. So that's a new style on those. It's got the cool pauldron and the cool shield. Looks like it comes with the markings. Let's see, what's it say? Markings such as the unit insignia throughout the body are represented with stickers, unfortunately. We're really going to try and wait for some of these to have water slides come out. Delphi usually gets water slides out pretty fast for new kits, so that should be really cool. This is number 254 in the series. It is part of the Universal Century series, so it's HGUC. Not 100% understanding that yet, but I guess this is going to be part of 0079 year war stuff. So on the side here it tells you about the Netflix series and has the movie or the series poster and just the normal stuff, and the same on this side. So these are about $23 with tax, $24. It's not really too bad. So the price is not horrible at all, and the Gundam was a total different type of build. It was fun. I really enjoyed it. It's just the panel lining is really kind of rough on these because there's just so much detail. So, all right, well, let's get into this kit and let's see what's in the box. All right, so right off the bat, we have 1, 2, 3 bags of runners and the manual. And set that there. Let's move the box out of the way, over to my other bench. And let's look at this manual here. And it says the same thing. Zaku F-Type Solari. It's a real nice photo on the front of the kit, all snapped up there. Has some color pages. It looks like really interesting. It doesn't look like the construction's all that much different from the other Zakus. It does look like it has a newer style joint system though for the legs and things like that. So that should be pretty cool. I'm hoping that it's going to be a little bit of a different build than the normal Zakus are. And another color section there. Shows you the runners. And yeah, it looks like this is going to be kind of a standard construction on the Zaku of the like a high grade standard. The arms do have a more origin looking construction there. It looks like the shield's really detailed. I think that's what we're going to get mostly with these kits, is a lot of detail, a lot of things to panel line, a lot of things that make them look a lot more realistic. And then on the back we have this photo, and it has this is CGI for sure. This looks like the kit painted up over here, but it could be CGI also. And it just tells you a little bit about everything. Let's see if I can get that up there. If you want to pause the video and read that, you can. Go over here and do the same thing for this one. And it's just telling you all about the weapons. Let's get the camera to focus. There we go. And move my thumb out of the way. And there's that. There's the marking placement on the back. And here is the color guide. Let's see. There we go. If you want to pause the video, you can probably zoom in and see all the colors. Alright, so we'll set that off to the side for right now. Let's get into this. Like I said, there's 3 bags of runners. Doesn't look like it's going to be a hard kit to put together, so it shouldn't take me too long, depending on the panel lining, which looks like it's going to be PETA. Alright, let's start off by the sticker sheet. Looks like all that fencing looking stuff that they have, you can see in the trailer over the Zaku's, is all represented in these like markings here or something, or might just be dirt. I'm not sure. There's the insignia. It's pretty cool. Now these are stickers, and they are stickers. They feel like what comes with real grades, so they should be okay. I'm not a sticker person. I'd rather wait for water slides, but that's just me. So we start off in this bag. We have the B1 runner. Looks like leg parts, back skirt parts, foot, arms. And we have the D1 runner, which is looks like mostly frames and the heat piping. So there's those two. Alright, I see something I'm not happy with right there with the feet, but that's to be expected with a high grade kit. Nothing in that bag. So C3 is the feet, or the bottom of the feet. It looks like the chest part. This is what, look at all that hollow space in there. I think they could have done a little bit better with that. Might have to fill that in, I don't know. Anyways, and we have a B2 runner, which has all the hands on it, and foot, and some of the other parts. It looks like the chest and back parts and the head parts. Look at the detailing on this head though, just alone. It's pretty neat. It's going to look really nice when it's all built up. I might not even worry about those feet spaces. It just might be the way it's going to stay. D2, it looks like more frame parts. And in the last bag here, we have that awesome shield. Look at all the detail on that shield. And the pauldron is really cool. That's a really neat design. So you won't have any seam lines showing on this. This here's the middle of the pauldron here. And then these snap onto each side. So it'll just look like panel lines on that pauldron. So won't be any fixing seams. That's pretty nice construction. I wish they did that on all of the Zaku kits. They need to redesign some of the older Zaku kits and make them a little more modern to snap up. This is the C1 runner. It has the weapons on it. Looks like parts for the legs, the gun, the shield back, front skirts, and just some other parts there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 runners total for this kit. So Alrighty. Well, give me a few minutes and I'll be back with it all built up and we'll get it going around on a turntable and I'll tell you my thoughts. See you in a few. Alright everyone, so yeah, as you can see, this was another fun kit. Here are both of the Requiem for Vengeance kits together in one place, battling it out. As you can see, they both have high detail for high grades. They both have really great movement. The ZAKU, I'm not quite sure which one's my favorite now that I've built both of them. The ZAKU is really awesome. I really like the ZAKU's weaponry, and I like the design of the ZAKU a little more now that I've built it. It's pretty cool how they did the power piping on the sides of the legs, and it's got, like, you know, a bend in it, bends with it, and the shield is pretty cool, all done up, and the pauldron. I'm not quite sure if I like the rabbit ears or not, but it's what it is. This kit comes with the shield, a heat hawk, and its rifle. It does not come with any other weapons than that. Comes with some stickers. As you see, I did put some of the stickers on. I didn't put a lot of them on. I mostly just did the panel lining. All in all, it was a great kit. They just announced that the other three will be coming out, but unfortunately they're going to be a P-Bandai set. So I will be getting that, though, when it comes out. I do want it. I'd like to first off say thank you again to whoever put the UPC barcodes up on the Facebook groups and clued me into being able to get these early at Target. They were both fun projects and fun builds. I highly recommend both of them, even if you don't like the Gundam as much. It kind of grew on me as I built it. It was a really great build. The Zaku was just as fun of a build. It kind of builds close to the origin type Zaku's, but with a little bit different style since it doesn't use polycaps. This was really cool to be able to get these early. I'm really looking forward to the series that starts real soon here on Netflix, and I'm glad that I was able to share them with you guys early. You know, that's awesome. So anyways, I wanted to say thank you again to everyone who subscribes to my channel. I've got a lot of views on these, or on the Gundam so far. I hope I get a lot of views on the Zaku here, and I think that if I could get as many people to sub to my channel as have viewed my stuff, I'd probably do it a little better. I really could use, if you like my videos or watch my videos, do me a favor, go down below, hit that subscribe button, help this channel grow. I'm really enjoying doing these kits for everybody and showing them to you guys. You know, it's it's my hobby, I know, but it would be nice to be a little bit bigger of a channel. Maybe if I became a little bit bigger of a channel, I'd be able to do some giveaways and things like that, like some of these other channels do right now. There's nothing, I'm not making anything from this channel at all. Not that I really care as much, but I would like to be able to give back to you guys at some point. So if I could, you know, get enough subs, then that would be great. If not, well, it'll just stay like it is. Anyways, thank you again for listening to me ramble on about my hobby and these kits, and thank you for coming and checking them both out. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate each and every person who has watched any of my videos, even a few minutes of it. Listen to me ramble. I know I'm not the most professional YouTuber, and I just kind of wing it with everything, but that's just me. So, alright, well, I will guess be starting back on the seed stuff here soon. So, it'll probably be the MG Strike or the MG Blitz. Those are the two that I have lined up. It might be both of them here towards the end of the month, middle of the month. It's already the middle of the month, huh? Alright, well, anyways, thank you again for being here. Thank you again for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell notification and turn it on to all so you get all notifications when my videos go live. I'd really appreciate the subscriptions, and I will see you all in the next video.